Are you tired of struggling with manual car jacks during roadside emergencies? Or maybe you're looking for a reliable tool for your home garage? Look no further. In today's video, we'll be taking an in-depth look at the VEVOR electric car jack kit, a versatile, portable, and powerful solution for lifting sedans, SUVs, and trucks with ease. With a lifting capacity of 3 tons, high-efficiency impact wrench, and a range of thoughtful features, this kit promises to be a game changer. Let's dive in to see if it lives up to the hype. The VEVOR electric car jack kit is designed to make tire changes and minor vehicle repairs faster and safer. It boasts an impressive lifting range of 5.1 inches to 16.5 inches, accommodating a variety of vehicles from sedans to SUVs. Whether you're on the side of the road or in your garage, this electric jack gets the job done in just about 2 minutes, eliminating the hassle of manual labor. One standout feature is its electric impact wrench, which delivers a robust 450 Newton meters of torque. This ensures quick and efficient screwing or unscrewing of lug nuts. With 2 included sleeves compatible with 4 lug nut sizes, 17 or 19 millimeters and 21 or 23 millimeters, this kit can handle most vehicle models. The kit also includes multiple power options, allowing you to connect the jack to your car's 12-volt cigarette lighter or directly to the car battery using the provided clips. Plus, the 11.5-foot power cord ensures you can easily reach all 4 tires without any hassle. Everything comes neatly packed in a multifunctional carrying case that doubles as an emergency roadside warning sign. The toolbox contains spare fuses, gloves, and all necessary accessories, offering a complete solution in one compact package. Using the VEVOR electric car jack is straightforward. Position the jack parallel to your vehicle on a flat surface, select the appropriate lifting head, short or long, and press the remote control button. Within moments, the jack smoothly elevates your car to the desired height. The process is efficient and effortless even for those with minimal experience. The impact wrench is equally impressive. It takes mere seconds to loosen or tighten lug nuts, saving you time and effort compared to traditional wrenches. The high torque ensures that even stubborn or rusted bolts are no match for this tool. This kit's safety features, such as the TUV certified fuses, provide peace of mind during use. Whether you're dealing with a roadside emergency or performing routine maintenance at home, the VEVOR jack kit delivers consistent and reliable results. Let's hear from real users who've put the VEVOR electric car jack kit to the test. One user shared, "This is not my first VEVOR car jack, and I'm incredibly pleased with its performance. The push-to-lift and lower mechanism works safely and reliably. As a conscientious safety mechanic, I appreciate the well-thought-out design and functionality. It's a definite 5-star product for me." Another satisfied customer mentioned, "I bought this jack to keep in my electric vehicle for emergencies. It effortlessly lifted the corner of my Tesla Model Y, which weighs around 4,600 pounds. The impact wrench worked perfectly on the lug nuts, and the long DC cord made it easy to reach all 4 corners of the car. I'm impressed by how well this kit handles slightly elevated voltage, making it perfect for EV owners. For the price, it's an excellent buy." These glowing testimonials highlight the VEVOR electric car jack's reliability, ease of use, and exceptional value. Compared to traditional manual jacks, the VEVOR electric car jack is in a league of its own. Its speed and efficiency make it far superior to time-consuming hand crank jacks. When placed against other electric jacks in its price range, VEVOR stands out with its higher lifting capacity, robust impact wrench, and thoughtful additions like the multifunctional carrying case. Many competitors offer fewer accessories or lack the same level of power, making the VEVOR kit a more comprehensive and practical choice. The inclusion of safety features like spare fuses and the luminous warning triangle further cements its position as a market leader. The VEVOR electric car jack kit's versatility makes it a valuable addition to any vehicle owner's toolkit. Whether you're an everyday driver, a frequent traveler, or a DIY car enthusiast, this jack simplifies lifting tasks for a wide range of vehicles, including sedans, SUVs, and even lighter trucks. Its portable design and user-friendly operation mean it's not just for emergencies. Use it for regular maintenance like tire rotations, brake work, or inspections. The compact carrying case ensures that it's easy to store and transport, making it a practical choice for both roadside use and home garages. VEVOR's reputation for quality engineering is evident in this product. The jack and impact wrench are made from durable materials designed to withstand heavy-duty use. The sturdy construction ensures long-term reliability, while the compact design makes it easy to handle. Even the smaller details, like the gloves and fuses, reflect VEVOR's commitment to user satisfaction. The case's dual purpose as a warning sign showcases an innovative approach to safety and practicality. The VEVOR electric car jack kit delivers on all fronts. Its powerful lifting capacity, efficient impact wrench, and user-friendly design make it a must-have for anyone who values convenience and safety. Whether you're preparing for unexpected roadside emergencies or looking for a reliable tool for garage repairs, this kit has you covered. Priced competitively and packed with features, it's an investment that pays for itself in time and peace of mind. If you're still on the fence, the overwhelmingly positive user reviews should erase any doubts. VEVOR has truly created a product that lives up to its promises. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more product reviews, and share your thoughts in the comments. Have you tried the VEVOR electric car jack? Let us know your experience below. See you in the next video.